5 programming languages you can learn on your own and make 6 figures monthly. In today's digital age, the demand for skilled software engineers is skyrocketing. Learning programming can lead to financial freedom and a thriving career. 1. Python is praised for its simplicity and versatility, making it ideal for beginners and applicable in many sectors, promising high-paying opportunities. 2. JavaScript, crucial for web development, offers abundant resources for learning and versatility in career paths, including lucrative freelancing. 3. Java, known for its reliability in large-scale applications, provides job security and opportunities across various industries due to its widespread use. 4. Ruby. Favored by startups for its productivity, it offers a chance to work in dynamic environments with competitive salaries and a focus on work-life balance. Last but not least, Golang, designed by Google for scalability, shines in concurrent programming and efficient performance, promising rising demand and salaries. Mastering any of these languages opens doors to a 6-figure income, with success hinging on dedication, continuous learning, and problem-solving skills.